Deep learning sounds complex, but at its core, it's just a smarter, deeper version of machine learning. Today, you'll understand exactly what it is in the simplest way possible. Let's break this down. Imagine a stack of pancakes. Each pancake is a layer that learns something small. One layer learns edges, the next learns shapes, the next learns objects, and together, they understand the full picture. That's deep learning. Here's the simple version. Deep learning is when AI uses many layers of neurons to learn complex patterns. Now, the real version, layer 1, learns low-level details, edges, colors, simple shapes. Layer 2 learns patterns, objects, faces, textures. Layer 3 plus learns meaning, emotions, context, relationships. The deeper the network, the more it can understand. Deep learning is what powers ChatGPT, Mid-Journey, image classifiers, voice recognition, self-driving cars, robotics, translators. Here's a simple example. When you show AI a picture of a dog, early layers detect fur and shapes. Middle layers recognize paws and faces. And deeper layers combine everything and say, dog. So in simple terms, machine learning learns from examples. Deep learning learns from many layers of examples and can understand far more complex ideas. If you want more simple AI explanations, subscribe to AI Unlocked.